Morning, today is day 125. Okay, and we're gonna try to find Tad Soung Waterfall. Yeah, it's the biggest around this area. Okay, so there are two ways to get there. One way, right, is you drive towards the end of Tad Lo village, right, towards the small waterfall. Okay, and then we can trek 7 kilometers up. But then we are not confident of our trekking ability, and if the trail is marked clearly enough. Okay, second way is you have to drive there, but then it's not clearly indicated on Google Map. But when you zoom in, right, using satellite view, there's a village here. See, there's a village here beside the waterfall. Yeah, so the plan now, and this is an unmarked road, but road on Google Map, there are two villages. So the plan now is to drive towards that unmarked road and continue in to that village. Hopefully from here there's a way to the waterfall. Yep, so that's the plan for now. Okay, hopefully we get there. Okay, we are on the unmarked road now towards the village that's beside the waterfall. Yeah, but we just read the Google review and it seems like it's not a very nice place to visit. So we're just gonna take a look, and there's a high chance we're gonna U-turn out of here. So let's see lah.
So now we are going past this village before we can reach the waterfall.
Okay, we are here now. So far so good. Yeah, parking is 20,000 keep. Yeah, so that's about like 120 or 130 Sing dollars.
Tad Soung Waterfall over there.
Okay, not bad. Seems like this place has improved a lot. There's like signboards showing the pricing for parking. 5,000 for bike, 10,000 for motorbike, 20,000 for car. Yeah, and there's official ticket received. Okay, so we are done with this waterfall. We are going to Fendi Island now, where there's like kind of tree house accommodation, so we're gonna check it out. Yeah, and we also don't know whether the vehicle can cross the bridge to enter the island. So just gonna see how it goes and decide again later. Yeah, dream of sleeping in the treetop has come to an end. Because to go to Fendi Island, we need to park the car at quite a distance away. It's walkable distance, but still pretty far because we need to carry all our barang-barang to the island. So just gonna go back to Tad Lo village, yeah, for another few days. Soak up the nice vibes there. Okay, dinner shopping now. Okay, we have found the elusive pengang. In Lao Tian, it's called Kai Song Pia.
Thank you.
Okay, another home cooked dinner by Chef Hui. Okay, today is day 126. We have signed ourselves up for a half-day hiking trip, yeah, and to visit a minority village. So our guide's in front. We're gonna cross the same bridge again. Our guide already crossed fully. We are still struggling. one of the spirit house of the village. So this is where they come to give offering.
This is onion.
Onion, oh yeah.
Onion. So in the morning they water the garden in the morning here, the village over there. And they water the garden in the morning time and in the afternoon time. Đây nó for the kin nó.
Okay, so this is the place where the villagers come over to shower and take water in the evening after working in the fields.
And the rest of the rice, you see?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cow shit they use for fertilizer.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a chicken house. Yeah, in the daytime they are all over the village. In the night time they go back there to sleep. Hey, chicken laying eggs.
Oh. Oh, you're so calm.
Okay, so this is the sacrificial pole of the village. Yeah, so once a year before harvest, they will come here to sacrifice animal and then distribute it among the village. Those are like the roots, then you'll be replanted again. Alright, so after the cassava is harvested, it will be cut up and then it will be dried for 3 days before being sold to the factories. Yeah, so the guide is telling us that this one plot takes about 1 month to harvest.
Jalan need to cross here.
Mùa hè bao của bên đấy, nó đi là mùa hè, mùa vui chơi mùa hè na buồn. Cái thao hết.
Okay, what's that?
Tamarind. Used to make jam.
Bawa si belum.
So nice. I want to try.
Si belum no. Si belum kin.
Oh, there's seeds there.
Oh, yeah, nice. Sweet.
Sweet.
Oh.
Okay. Good.
Sour.
Sour.
Yeah. But it's nice.
Okay, okay. But we
Okay.
have with rice, okay.
Want to try?
Yeah.
Got a seed one.
Oh, sour and sweet.
Sweet and sour, very yummy.
These are tobacco.